If your FC-26 is giving massive FPS drop, like 10 to 15 FPS suddenly in game, this 2 method will surely help you. Watch the full video, don't skip or you might miss a step. I won't talk much, just follow the video. If you don't understand, Second method. Run any another game while playing FC-26. This will reset the game FPS revert back to 120 plus FPS. This will fix the massive FPS drop.
Well, you really wouldn't want to be anywhere else today. You've got the best seat in the house. Well, hello everyone. We're in Manchester today, the Etihad Stadium. My name's Guy Mowbray, joined for commentary by Sue Smith. And levels of excitement and anticipation are as high as they always are for the start of a new season. It's Manchester City, and they take on Bayern Munich.
Well, it was difficult for them last season getting relegated, but I'm sure they'll have reflected and learnt from their mistakes.
Oh, what a chance! Excellent work in goal there, well saved. Nicely kept in, that's good work.
If the video
I
helps,
thought we were
leave a
going to
like.
see an early goal
And
here.
subscribe for
and
more
what a
Fix
start
Guy.
that would have been for
Comment
them.
down below
But the
which
keeper
fix I
did
should
so
cover
well
next.
to keep it out.
A big moment, and there might be another to come soon. And it's opened up. Hey! Oh, ho, ho! That has